Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something truly special to unbox and review: the stunning Russian Dolla silk zari weaving sari, and the best part, it's only price just 1150. So let's jump right in and see what makes this sari so remarkable. As we unbox the package, we are immediately fascinated by the intricacy and elegance of the sari. The entire fabric is adorned with beautiful zari weaving, adding a touch of luxury to its design. The use of Russian Dolla silk gives it a smooth and glossy texture, making it a joy to wear. Now let's take a closer look at the craftsmanship. The meticulously weaving of the zari threads showcases the immense talent and skill of the artisans behind the sari. From the borders to the pallu, each detail is carefully handicrafted, resulting in a truly memorizing piece. When it comes to draping, the Russian Dolla silk zari weaving sari falls gracefully, enhancing your nature beauty. Whether it's a special occasion or festive celebration, this sari is undoubtedly make you stand out from the crowd. But the best part, the affordable price of just 1150 rupees. That's right, you can look fabulous without breaking the bank. So there you have it, the stunning Russian Dolla silk zari weaving sari. Don't miss your chance to own this gorgeous piece. Order your today by clicking the link is in description below. Thank you for watching our video, and if you enjoyed this video guys, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more exciting